Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with another video, and today I have a pretty cool unboxing for you guys. It's from Olight, and full disclosure, I am actually not supported by them in any way, shape, or form. I bought this with my own money. I just thought it was a pretty good deal, so I went ahead and got it. It was one of their flash sales. Got a Kershaw blur, ready for unboxing duty, so let's check it out. See what I got. If you guys like this video, like, share, sub. Helps out the channel. Appreciate it, guys. And I do have to sharpen this knife for sure. I've had it for some time now, and I've been kind of lazy about sharpening it. But anyways, I got a few goodies here, so let's check out and see what I got. Oh, this is a bonus. I didn't know that came with it, so that's pretty cool. Here's what I got. So as you guys can see here, this is the PL2 Valkyrie, 1200 lumen light. So very cool. Excuse my dog in the background trying to crawl into the sofa. But so here's what it is, guys. And 1200 lumens is pretty cool. It has a runtime of 1 hour and 10 minutes from what I was reading. So as you guys can see here, it has a throw of 235 meters, which is pretty cool. IPX6, so pretty much for rain, you're not going to want to dunk it underwater for too long, but I think under normal rain conditions, it could survive. And it does have a TIR lens, which is pretty interesting actually, because it's the same lumens and lens as my SureFire EDCL2-T. So I actually want to compare them and see how they run. I bet you this one is actually like a brighter hue or like a more blue hue of light than this one. But you know, we'll see and see how they compare. But anyways, they had a pretty cool deal. I'll tell you guys what I got them for. And also got the H1 Nova that was included in this deal. So pretty cool light. It's just one CR123A battery as opposed to these, which are two CR123A batteries. This one I believe is 500 lumens if I'm not mistaken, but I'll show you guys all the stats. This one was a total surprise. I didn't know about this one. So this is i3E EOS. So pretty cool. As you can see here, what is this? One AAA battery, IPX6 rating. It's pretty cool for a keychain or something. Maybe I'll just keep this in the car. So this might be a good thing to carry. Let me see here, 120 lumens, runtime 35 minutes, 590 candela, 48 meters in distance. Okay, not bad, pretty cool. And just real quick, just to show you guys a few more stats, if you want to check them out, here's my iPad. So there it is, the Valkyrie. So this is the regular price, $99.95, and I was able to pick them up for 40% off, which was $59.95, I suppose. And that was for 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3, $59.95 each. So that's what I got for these. This one was free. It came if you spend a certain amount, you got this for free. So H1 Nova I got for free. And then this of course came for free. I didn't really know about that. And then of course the shipping was free also. So pretty killer deal, guys. Now a lot of people have said like maybe they prefer the SureFire over this one. And, you know, I'm a little skeptical about that. I mean, this does have 1200 lumens. I don't think SureFire is anything close to that for a weapons mounted light, at least at this size. So 1200 lumens is pretty crazy. I know the operations are a little different than what SureFire uses. And I'll just show you guys really briefly how that works out. But as you guys can see here, it's more of pushing it in. Here it is. So if you want to get the momentary light, which is the center one, you just have to push it. You have to hold it, I guess, for a second or two. And then after that, you can let it go. If you want to actually constant, you just click it in once real quick, and then you're constant. And then if you want strobe, you push them both in at the same time. And excuse my ghetto lighting in the background. But yeah, so that's pretty much how it works. So some people like it, some people don't. I'm going to test it out and see how I feel about it. I think it's just a matter of training. You know, these little nuances are not, I think, that big of a deal. Also, you can see here it has for the Glock and then for the 1913 rail adapter. So you could like perfectly fit it to whatever gun you have. And then this was the H1 Nova, so you guys can check that out. But it comes with 2 different types of LEDs. So you get the neutral white or the brighter bluer light, and pretty cool things. But let's unbox one, see how it looks. See if I could do this without breaking it. Maybe not. Okay, nothing else in the box. This is what it comes with. This is the light. Not working. I imagine you have to open it up and probably remove a sticker or something in between the battery. Here's instructional manual. You can see here also comes with a tool and also your adapter. So let's see which one this is. So it comes with the one that's GL, as you guys could tell there. That's for Glock. And then you have your 1913 adapter here. So let's see how to open this. It's honestly the first time I look at this. It says pull to open. So click right up. And yeah, as I suspected, as Olight usually does, they have something in between to protect it while it's in traveling. So it's smart. And you should be able to just close in. And let me see if I could. Well, had it going there for a second, but let's see if I could properly close it. Jeez, it shouldn't be this complicated. There it is. So it just took me a second, but yeah, click on, click off. And I don't believe there's other Lumen settings, which is nice. You don't have to worry about all that. And then for momentary, it's on, and then I let go. So that's pretty cool. And then the strobe, which I don't plan on using, just click on both sides. So very simple operation, which is very nice. That's kind of what you look for in a light. Here, it's very similar. The bezel they use to the SureFire one that you see here. Very similar design. And also you got both the same TIR lens. But obviously you could tell that they were designed a little differently internally. But all in all, pretty cool. Both of these 1200 lumens. Pretty hard to believe 1200 lumens in this size compared to this size that you have to carry around. So very nice. Let me do a quick comparison here on the table. So here we have the Olight, and then we have the SureFire. And you could definitely see a difference in hue color. The SureFire is definitely a little bit more yellow as opposed to the Olight. Guys, as a quick bonus, I'm just going to compare the lights for you guys here in my house. So this is the SureFire, that's 1200 lumens right there. And then this is going to be the Olight. So that's Olight, SureFire. And let's compare them side by side. So you have the Olight on the bottom and the SureFire on top. So pretty similar in diameter, I would say. The Olight is definitely more defined as opposed to the SureFire. And obviously there's a difference in the hue. The SureFire is definitely more yellow in light as opposed to a cooler light from the Olight. And the H1 I'm probably not going to open for now. I may consider reselling it because I wasn't really planning on, I wasn't sure about keeping this one. So I may consider reselling this one. I'll see. I'll just keep it in box for now. But that was pretty much the PL2 Valkyrie unboxing. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, sub. And that's pretty much it, guys. WRG out. Also, if you want, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check this out a little easier. But that's it, guys. See you later. Next one. Peace.